Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you made money overnight from something you built once, using tools that most people still don't understand.
Oh, wow!
That's the power of AI side hustles in 2025. You don't need special skills. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need to show your face. AI is lowering the barrier to entry, letting normal people create digital products, start online businesses, and automate work that used to take hours. So today, I'm breaking down how you can use AI to start profitable side hustles, even if you're starting from zero. And I'm going to show you exactly which hustles are easiest, which pay the most, and which ones you can start today. Let's get into it. 1. Why RE side hustles are exploding. Right now, businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs are begging for faster and cheaper ways to produce content. Design, automation, and research. AI turns one person into a full team. You can write like a copywriter, sound like a voice actor, and design like a professional, all with free tools. This is why AI side hustles are blowing up, because small businesses get to save money, and you get to earn money by offering AI-powered results quickly. Let's break down the top side hustles. 2. RE Content Creation Agency. The first one is AI-powered content creation. Using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, and even free writing tools, you can create blog articles, social media posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, ad scripts. Businesses need content constantly, but most don't have time to write any of it. You can offer weekly content packages, monthly retainers, bulk content bundles, humanized AI writing services. You don't even have to be a great writer. AI gives you drafts, you polish them, and deliver professional content fast. This is one of the easiest ways to start. 3. RE Video Creation, Faceless Videos. Next, AI-powered faceless video creation. If you've seen channels posting list videos, motivational clips, fact videos, or narration over stock footage, most of them are using AI now. With tools like Pictory, Runway, CapCut AI, or Descript, you can turn scripts into full YouTube or TikTok videos. AI helps with script writing, narration, editing, subtitles, stock footage selection. You can start your own faceless channel or offer video creation services for others. And monetization is simple. YouTube ads, affiliate links, paid sponsorships, selling digital products, repurposing videos for clients. This is one of the most scalable hustles in 2025. 4. RE Voiceover Services. AI voices used to sound robotic. Now, they sound almost human. Using 11 Labs, Murph AI, TTS, and similar tools, you can create professional voiceovers for TikTok creators, YouTube channels, ads, explainer videos, podcasts, audiobooks. The best part? You can create multiple voice styles and sell them as voice packs. You don't need to record your own voice. It's quick, simple, and high demand. 5. RE Design and Branding. If you want something creative, try AI graphic design. With Midjourney, Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, and other tools, you can create logos, banners, thumbnails, templates, social media graphics, full brand kits. Businesses love this because you can deliver 50 logo variations in minutes, offer fast turnaround, and people will pay. 6. RE Automation for Businesses. This is one of the highest paying AI side hustles. You can set up simple automations like automated customer service, chatbot replies, automated email responses, lead generation systems, workflow automation. Many small businesses don't know how to use automation, so they'll gladly pay someone who can. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 for a single setup. And once the automation is built, you're done. 7. Selling AI-generated digital products. This one is perfect if you want passive income. AI makes it easy to create journals, planners, templates, coloring books, clip art, wallpapers, icon packs, printable worksheets, digital guides. Upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or KDP and sell them forever. A single digital product can turn into income for years. 8. Building RE chatbots. Another fast-growing hustle is building custom AI chatbots. You can create fitness bots, study bots, customer service bots, mental health companion bots, niche expert bots. Businesses love this because chatbots save them hours every week. Offer them as a monthly subscription service and you have recurring income. 9. RE research and reports. Professionals, students, entrepreneurs, and content creators all need help with research. You can use AI to create research summaries, competitive market reports, industry analysis, topic breakdowns, quick study guides, product research. People will pay for information that saves them time. And AI helps you organize everything easily. 10. RE resume and LinkedIn optimization. This one is underrated. Use AI to rewrite resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, career bias, interview prep answers. Offer a simple $20 to $100 package. Millions of people need help with this every year. It's a perfect beginner-friendly service. 11. RE course creation and digital knowledge packs. AI can help you create full mini courses, cheat sheets, toolkits, guides, digital books, starter packs. You can sell them on Gumroad and keep 100% of the profit. The demand for educational content is growing faster than ever. 12. How to choose the best RE side hustle for you. Here's how to choose. If you like creativity, do content, design, or videos. If you want passive income, sell digital products. If you want high-paying work, do automation or chatbots. If you like simple tasks, resume writing or research. Pick ONE side hustle. Don't try to do 5 at once. Focus, learn, and be consistent. 13. How to market your RE side hustle. To get clients or buyers, post short-form content showcasing your skills. Join Facebook groups related to your niche. List services on Fiverr or Upwork. Create simple landing pages using Canva or Notion. Offer a small discount for your first few clients. You don't need a big audience, just consistent output. 14. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these. Relying completely on AI without editing. Taking on too many projects. Pricing too low. Waiting for the perfect moment. Hopping between hustles. AI is a tool, not magic, but it makes everything 10 times faster if you use it correctly. 15. Final message. The power of RE in 2025. We are living in the easiest time in history to start an online business. You don't need money. You don't need experience. You don't need a fancy setup. All you need is consistency, creativity, and the willingness to start. AI gives you the power to build income streams that can change your life. So pick your hustle. Start today. And watch how fast things can grow. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for more content like this.